Hello students. So the next question that we will be doing is question number 4, exercise 1.1. Now here they are giving us the representation of the sets in set builder form and in roster form, and they want us to convert it into set builder form. So let us see the first question. The numbers that are given to me in the set are 3, 6, 9 and 12. So as I told you that you need to write down a mathematical statement, the statement whose ultimate conclusion would be these numbers only. So how to do that? Now here I can say I need to find out a logic in the given number. You need to identify the pattern, you need to identify the logic which is given in the question. Now 3, 6, 9 and 12. Now as I can see, these all are multiples of 3, or rather the first 4 positive multiples of 3. As you can see, the first positive multiple of 3 is 3 1s are 3, second one 3 2s are 6, third one 3 3s are 9, fourth one 3 4s are 12. So you can write it down in this form, that let there be a set A which is defined by an arbitrary element x. If you remember, I told you that every single object or element will be represented by an arbitrary element such that x is equal to 3n. I am writing it down as x is equal to 3n and n belongs to naturals and n less than 5. Now you see, x is equal to 3n. Now x is what? X is an arbitrary element, so no need to define x. Now this arbitrary element is given by this formula 3n, where n belongs to naturals, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, and n is less than 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4 we can continue till infinity. So we have to stop it somewhere. So where should I stop? In 5. This particular thing you can write it down in multiple forms. There are various ways to write them down. Now you can make up your own stories to signify the numbers which are given in roster form. So this is how you will be solving the question. And it's not mandatory, again and again I am saying the way I am solving it, you can make out your own stories. Clear? So similarly, the say the third one, that is 5, 25, 125, 625. Now if you can identify the logic is what? This is 5 to the power 1, 5 to the power 2, 5 to the power 3, 5 to the power 4. So you write it down as x is equal to 5, x equals to 5 to the power n, where n is less than 5 and n belongs to naturals. So in similar fashion you can solve the rest of the questions. I would expect you to find out the logics in them, to find out the logic in the question, to find out the pattern in the question, and based on those patterns you can solve them. This is clear. Now the next question is what? Again, the questions are given in set builder form and you need to list all the elements. You have to understand one thing. Whether the question is asking you about the sets or the question is asking you about the elements. Look on to question number 3 and question number 5. Don't you find out the questions are similar? That means in both the questions are given in set builder form. But in question number 3, they are asking you to write down the set in roster form. Whereas in question number 5, they are not asking you to write down the sets. They are asking you to write down the elements of the set. So this is same question. So if we move on to question number 5, first part, they are saying x is an odd natural number. So what is an odd natural number? Natural, that means all positive numbers starting from 1, and that also odd. So the numbers would be what? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. But had it been question number 3, then we would have written it like this, because they were asking me about the set. But here they are asking me about the elements only. So since they are only asking us about the elements, we will not put braces, because putting up braces would make it a set. Set means what? You are combining all of them and putting all together. But here they all are representing themselves. They all are independent. They all are not accumulated or combined. So that means what? They are not coming in a set. Are you getting my point or not? If all the students, they come to school and get into their classrooms, so they all are combined as students of class 11, students of class 10, like that. But when they go to their respective homes, at that point of time, what is there? They all are representing themselves. Now they are not representing class, now they are not representing their schools, they are representing themselves, they are at their home. So this is what we can say, कि you cannot put braces over here, because they are not asking you about the sets. They are asking you about what? Elements. So the part is clear. So you will try the rest of the questions of question number 5, and question number 6 is match the following. Now these questions are extremely simple, I must say. So I have given you the hint how to solve these questions. So kindly go through each and every questions and try to solve them.